Or fun fact, guys, do you know that in Latin America, in the South America, there are only two countries which are completely landlocked or which do not have any sea beaches, right? So these two countries are Bolivia and Paraguay. Rest every other country has a beach. I hope you like the fun fact. Stay in tune.
Hello, my beautiful folks. How are you? Welcome to the class. Today, we're going to see some important keywords in laundry and bedroom. Very interesting, isn't it? So, lavanderia y dormitorio. Let's have some fun, folks. El calentador de agua is the water heater. La escoba is broom. La lavandora, washing machine. La limpiadora is mop. El destapador is bottle opener. La plancha is iron. El recogedor is dustpan. La secadora is dryer. Los trapos is rags. La aspiradora is vacuum. La cama is bed. La mesita de noche is nightstand. La cómoda, dresser. La almohada is pillow. La cobija is blanket. El despertador is alarm clock. Las sábanas is sheets, bed sheets. El armario is closet or almada. El colgador is hanger. And el espejo is mirror. Well, that was about this short and sweet session, folks. I hope you learned and enjoyed this beautiful concept of life, laundry, and bedroom. If you wish to continue learning from me, please subscribe to my channel. Till next session, take care, goodbye, chao, chao. Bueno, estudiantes, hemos estudiado hoy algo que es súper importante y muy común en nuestra vida, las cosas sobre lavandería y dormitorio. Espero que les guste mi manera de enseñar y espero que van a estar juntos conmigo aprendiendo el idioma que se llama español. Bueno, muchas gracias para todo. Hasta luego. Chao, chao.